All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here on main campus for Plant Group 10 this week, and we are here outside of Hoosier Hall. We're getting ready to go into the Hearts Garden, and I know it's a little windy, so hopefully my microphone is working a little bit better today than in the past. But we're walking up to plant number 1, the Japanese Kiera. It's in full bloom, it's yellow, it's beautiful. And it's down here in this wonderful Hearts Garden. And it looks like little yellow cotton balls. Little round, fluffy, beautiful things. And so here is plant number 1. Your Kiera japonica or your Japanese Kiera. So come on down to the Hearts Garden and take a look. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here for plant number 2, your Pinus Mugo. It's right outside of horticulture on the bank. This bank used to be so pretty pre-COVID, but here we have a Pinus Mugo. And there you go. Mugo pine, plant number 2, plant group 10. Right outside of horticulture. All right, class, plant number 3 is your Pinus strobus. It is your white pine. It is the large trees along Miller Street there on campus. Hopefully there are some limbs or something that's fell down. Looks like a few over there if you wanted to get a good sample. But those are your white pine. Your Pinus strobus, plant number 3 for plant group 10. All right, for plant group 10, your loblolly pine, your Pinus taeta, is right here. It's a dwarf one, but guys, when it comes to the pines, what you need to do is get a sample of the needles, and I'll talk more about that in the lecture. But Pinus taeta, your loblolly pine, right outside of horticulture. This plant is where we get our pine straw or pine needles for mulching from. So, good deal. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here looking at the skip laurel, or your Skipka cherry laurel. It is plant number 6, Prunus loriceus schnipsis. Very hard name to say, but it's right outside of the tech building. Right outside the tech building. And we call it your skip laurel. Very similar to the Autolucan, but this is plant number 5 on plant group 10. All right, we're also going to take a look at plant number 6. This is your Autolucan cherry laurel. It's pretty much what I've known it for my whole life. A plant that is used extensively in commercial landscape, which is kind of odd that we only have a few on campus, but it is in the Hearts Garden. And here is your Autolucan. This is plant number 6, Prunus loriceus Autolucan. And as you can see, back over there's the tech building, and we're at the corner of Oak Grove and Miller Street. Plant number 6. All right, ladies and gentlemen, plant number 7, your Bradford pear, is right outside of old horticulture, and they just have bloomed. So you'll be able to see some blooms, you'll be able to see some leaf formation on this tree, and we have another Indian hawthorn right beside it. So you can knock out two plants right here beside Old Horticulture. We got your Bradford pear, plant number 7, and your Indian hawthorn, plant number 8. All right, we're here looking at plant number 8 for plant group 10. This is your Rhaphioliphus indica, your Indian hawthorn. One of my favorite plants of all time. Very susceptible to fungus. A lot of people are not planting them anymore, but come and get you a sample. We're right outside of the Strickland Center. Plant number 8, Rhaphioliphus indica, Indian hawthorn.